Hello, how to solve t power 4 equals 64. Solving for the value of t, we are going to use two different methods. Let's start with the first method. Here we have 4. And because of this, I can raise each part of the equation to the power of 4. As t power 4. And this is raised to the power of 4. And this equals 64 raised to the power of 4. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of m equals a power m raised to the power of n. What I will do is this t power 4 here is my m. This is my m. So I'm going to switch the powers based on this. So I'm going to have the base remains constant, t raised to the power of the m will come inside, that is 4. And this is raised to the power of t power 4. And this equals 64 power 4. Now right here, this and this are the same, so we need to ensure this and this are the same. Of t power 4 raised to the power of t power 4 equals 64 is 8 to the power of 2. And this is raised to the power of 4. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times m. So I multiply this out. What I'm going to have is t raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of t power 4 equals 8 raised to the power of 2 times 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Also, if you have a power a equals b power b, this equals a equals b. You compare them. So I'm going to have t power 4 equals 8. I can solve for t by eliminating this 4. So I have t power 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4 equals a power 1 over 4. So if you have a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. If I multiply this exponent, I will have t power 4 times 1. This is 4 over 4 equals a power 1 over 4. And 4 over 4 is 1. I have t equals a power 1 over 4. And this also means we can have a fourth root of 8 to the power of 1, which is the same thing as fourth root of 8. Remember, if you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a power 1, which is the same thing as the n root of a. So what we can do now is we can decide to check if this particular value will satisfy the equation, which is 4 root of a. In fact, I can simplify this further. I can have t equals 8 is 2 to the power of 3. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 4, meaning if you multiply this, you have 2 power 3 over 4. Applying this will be the fourth root of 2 to the power of 3. And this will still give you the fourth root of 2 to the power of 3 is 8, right? So you leave it this way, it's still correct. Now we can decide to check by inserting these values for t. I've checked before we head over to the second method. t power 4 equals 64 and t equals 2 power 3 over 4. So this will be 2 power 3 over 4 raised to the power of 2 power 3 over 4. And this is raised to the power of 4. And this equals 64. Right? So you multiply this exponent. Remember, a to the power of n over m equals a power n times m. 4 multiply 3, 12. 12 divides 4. We have 3. So this will be 2 to the power of 3 over 4. This is raised to the power of 2 power 3 because 4 will cancel out 4. This equals 64. So from here, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So I'm going to have 2 power 3 over 4 raised to the power of 8 equals 64. 8 times 3, that is 24 divided by 4, that is 6. You have 2 power 6, that is 24 divided by 4 equals 64. And 2 to the power of 6 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 64. And this equals 64. So guys, that is it in one part. We have t power 4 equals 64. I can make use of natural log. I can say let x equals t power 4. So this will be t to the power of this will be x. T to the power of x equals 64. I can then apply natural log. Natural log of t power x equals natural log of 64. So remember, if you have natural log of a power p equals p times natural log of a, so the x will come behind this. Have x times natural log of t equals natural log of 64. So what do? I can go back to this connecting equation here and express t in terms of x. Look at it here. I have x equals t power 4. Then I need to isolate t. That means I will have x power 1 over 4 equals t power 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4. So from here, I'll have x power 1 over 4 equals t power 4 times 1, 4, 4 over 4, 1. So my t is x power 1 over 4. I come over here. Where I have t here, I replace it with x power 1 over 4. You've seen that? So this is x ln of x power 1 over 4 equals ln 64. And remember, ln a power p equals p times ln a. So this 1 over 4 will come behind this. We have x times 1 over 4 of ln of x equals ln of 64. So we have x times 1, this is x over 4, times ln of x equals ln of 64. So from here, I can multiply this by 4 and multiply this by 4. So what I will have is 4 will multiply this. We have 4x over 4 ln of x equals, this will be 4 ln of 64. 4 eliminates 4. I have x times ln x equals 4 times ln 64. Now remember, 64 is 8 to the power of 2. I have x times ln x equals 4 times ln a power 2. And ln a power p is p times ln a. So the 2 come behind this. We have x times ln x equals 4 times 2 ln 8. And from here, x times ln x equals, this is 8 times ln 8. X ln x ln 8. It can compare. So you can have x equals 8. If x equals 8, we can solve for t by making use of this equation. So that means we call x power 1 over 4 equals t, meaning 8 power 1 over 4 equals t. That means t equals 8 power 1 over 4. And this simply means t equals a fourth root of 8, just like what we had earlier. And this also means 8 is 2 power 3. This is 2 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 4. And this is 2 to the power of 3 times 1, 3. This is 2 to the power of 3 over 4. All these are correct. And this actually corresponds to what we had earlier right here, using this first method. So guys, any of the methods you want to use to solve, you'll definitely get it right. So that is it, guys. Very interesting. Thank you and goodbye.